Kunal, hi, morning. Huge polarization yesterday when it came to the banking pack with HDFC Bank on one hand and then you had Kotak and IndusInd on the other. Do you sense that there is more room to the move on HDFC Bank even from yesterday's move?
Yeah, good morning. I think after yesterday's move for HDFC Bank, the breakout, the stock had seen the gap up opening, which the stock has seen, and I think it's been quite some time that we've seen a gap up opening for HDFC Bank, and the gap not being filled throughout the day. And especially on a day like yesterday, when the Bank Nifty opened up 500 points, and then we saw a very sharp reversal or a correction on an intraday basis for the banking index, HDFC Bank managed to stood quite firm. So I think in that sense, I would probably believe that we could be looking at a renewed vigor for HDFC Bank from here on. At least that stronger bit of underperformance which was creeping into the stock price with respect to the other private sector banking names, at least that could now be behind, assuming if the gap is not filled for HDFC Bank in the next 2 to 3 trading sessions. So the filling of the gap is the most crucial part about this lasting of momentum for HDFC Bank. If over the next 2-3 trading sessions we don't see the gap being filled, then I expect a strong comeback as well as a strong up move for HDFC Bank over the near term.
Right, interesting. That's the take on HDFC Bank. But Kunal, what about the other stocks on your list?
So I'll go with the sector which has been doing pretty well for itself on a relative scale basis. First one is by an SBI from the PSU banking lot. The stock confirming a breakout above 800 levels, swing breakout, 50-day moving average breakout, as well as momentum indicator breakout for the stock on the very near-term chart. So we'll look out for targets in the range of 850. Stop loss could be kept at 794, and more of a contra on Maruti because the stock has retraced back towards its 200-day moving average. Day before yesterday, the stock formed a bullish hammer pattern and then followed up by a minor up move candlestick pattern yesterday. So expecting a follow-through up move for Maruti, buy with a target of 12,500. Stop loss could be kept at 11,900.
All your technical recommendations. Thanks very much, Kunal and Naresh, for running us through those ideas. There
comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.